About 20 years ago, SWEPCO employees working with the community developed the 65-acre Eagle Watch.
So the Eagle Watch borders our SWEPCO lake, and we can see the power plant from the pavilions that are built there. We have butterfly gardens. All of the trees are labeled with their names and genus, and there's bird houses.
School kids, community groups, bird watchers, nature lovers of all kind enjoy the walking trails.
We have 2 wildlife viewing pavilions that overlook SWEPCO Lake, a new boardwalk, and many different ways to enjoy nature.
The Eagle Watch Nature Trail is part of our environmental stewardship and our involvement with the community.
We like sharing the Eagle Watch with the public. It's open year-round, it's free, it's handicap accessible, and you're very likely to see multiple eagles if you come in the wintertime.
SWEPCO was awarded the Conservation Certification by the Wildlife Habitat Council for our commitment to our environmental stewardship.
At Flint Creek, we love sharing the Eagle Watch Nature Trail on Earth Day and every day.